Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. Aren't these cute little bags? These are little Easter candy bags. And this one's really simple. It's stitched up really fast. It's made out of felt. And this one, I'll show you how to make it out of cotton fabric, and it's even got lining on the inside. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to demonstrate how to make the bag out of felt. You can buy felt at Joann Fabrics and Crafts, and you can also purchase it on the internet. Your felt sheets come in different sizes. Some are larger, some are smaller. This one is 9 by 12. And so if you're using a sheet this size, you want to fold it in half, bring the two shorter edges together. Place your ruler in the middle and just use a rotary cutter and cut it in half. If you have pinking shears, that's what these are, they have jagged edges, then stitch 3/8 of an inch seam along here. You're going to start 1.5 inches down from the top to stitch your seam. So if you have pinking shears, go ahead and trim each side off. If you're just using regular scissors, you don't have the pinking shears, then stitch a 1/4 inch wide seam. Open it up at the top and fold this piece back, and to keep it out of your way, pin it down. Then take your ribbon, and I have two 18-inch long ribbons. They can be 1/8 inch up to 1/4 inch width. And I bought my ribbon at Walmart. Not all Walmarts have Fabric and Crafts. So I'm going to lay it down like this with about 3 inches sticking out over here. And you're leaving the rest of the ribbon out, way out over here. Take your other piece and lay 3 inches out over on this side and lay it on top of this other piece of ribbon out like that. Then you're going to take this edge and fold it all the way down to where the seam starts. And I recommend that you pin it. Now try not to have your ribbon down in that seam. So you're going to fold out all the way down like this. You see the ribbon sticking out. Go ahead and pin it and then stitch close to the bottom there all the way across. So this is what it looks like when it's stitched. Now you want to turn it around the other way, unpin it, open it up, pin this back. Now take the long ends that you have here and bring them across like this. Bring the other one on top. Fold the edge over all the way down like you did on the other one. Go ahead and pin it across and then stitch all the way across. Now take a hold of your two ends and pull them out as far as you can. And then tie a knot on each side. So this is what it looks like so far. So you want to straighten this out, and we're now going to put the ears on. The overall size of the ears are 4 inches high this way and 2 inches across here. So down from the center, we're going to go down about 1.5 inches and put a mark on your paper and just go straight over and do the same thing. Then you're going to draw a line going down to this point on each side, and you could kind of curve it just slightly, and then coming in just a little bit, not very much, draw lines down to the bottom like this. Now take your felt and place your template on there and cut around it, and you need 2 ears for each bag. Place your ears right on the stitch line where you were stitching the casing for your ribbon, and then stitch across there. When you're done, you just close it up. Isn't that cute? I'm using quilting fabric for this bag, so take your piece of fabric for the outside that is 6 by 16, and then you can use the same type of fabric on the inside. So you need 2 pieces of fabric, 6 by 16. You're going to stitch a 1/4 inch seam all the way around, except you're going to leave an opening here. And remember to bring the pretty sides of your fabric together. So leave this little opening. At each corner, you want to trim some of the fabric off. Now reach inside and turn it front side out. Now then you want to reach inside and poke all 4 corners out. Then take your fabric at the opening, turn it in 1/4 inch, then go and press this flat. Then you're going to stitch close to the edge all the way around on all 4 sides. This is my lining, so you're going to fold the 2 lining sides together. So it's folded in half. Then go down 1.5 inches and stitch the sides together close to the edge. And do the same thing on this side. Insert the ribbon in and create the casing just like you did in the first example. For the ears, you're going to use the same template you created in the first example. Take 2 pieces of fabric and bring the pretty sides together. Place this on top and trace around it. Pin your fabric together, then you're going to stitch right on the drawn lines. Leave this part here open, and you're making 2. If you have pinking shears, go ahead and trim your fabric around. If you're just using regular scissors, up here at the curve, you want to do little clips all the way around that curved section. Then go down to your opening and turn it front side out. Turn the bottom edges in 1/4 inch on both ears and then press it flat. Then place the ears along the bottom edge of the casing and then stitch across. If you want the bottom of the bag to have a box shape, turn it to where it's lining side out and then open it up, pulling the pieces of fabric apart like this, and have this seam right in the center. And then go in about 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch and stitch straight across. So this is what it looks like. It's just a small seam. Then go ahead and turn your bag front side out. So this is what the bottom looks like. Now putting the box bottom on is just an option, and it kind of stands up a little bit. The other one will stand up too if there's enough candy in it. And I'm sure the kids would love it if you overstuff the bags. So here they are, all done. Aren't they cute? Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you learned something new. Remember, there are links to all of the projects on the wall behind me. So make sure you scroll down to the description section, click on Show More or the down arrow, and you will see a lot of links appearing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.